Today we're going to make some upgrades at AWE's show apartment. We're going to replace this TV with the brand new XR65 A95L from Sony. This is QD-OLED and it replaces last year's K version. So we'll be taking that off the wall and replacing with this. In the box you get the feet. Now these are adjustable, so if you've got a soundbar you can raise the screen up a little bit or you can have it right down on the floor there. You have the Bravia cam, which I'll talk about a bit more later. There are lots and lots of these trim pieces. There's more in the back of the box as well. You get the simple remote control, and then in here we have the instructions and the main remote control and batteries. Okay, let's have a look at the inputs. So on the side here, we have got HDMIs, we have USB, we've got digital audio, we have a center speaker input. I'll talk about that in a bit. So this is the Bravia cam. It does have some privacy features. You've got this here, and that will actually put a cover across the lens there. And then to plug it into the screen, this simply goes into the back here, like so. This year's remote is really cool. It's got this kind of brushed metal finish. It's got the fast access buttons for your Netflix, your Disney Plus, YouTube, etc. on there. And you actually have voice as well, so you can voice search from the remote control. Let's start the installation. First we've got to remove the old screen. We are going to use the same bracket. It's a Sanus bracket, so we'll just take that off the back of the old screen and we'll put that onto the new screen. Now there is something that we did notice different between the old and the new versions. The new version has a moulded plug attached to it where the older one was an IEC mains lead. This is a 300 by 300 VESA fixing. We don't have to make any adjustments to the bracket because it's exactly the same as the previous one, so on that goes. Straight back on the wall, exactly where the previous one was. Then we'll remove all of the protective wrapping and then hide away the cables. And that's it. It's up on the wall, ready to go. As you can see, it's got the one slate design, so the image goes right to the edge of the screen. Now let's look at the technology inside the TV. Sony's flagship television using QD-OLED makes colours brighter and more vibrant than any other OLED on the market. The XR65 A95L is Sony's flagship television. Using QD-OLED makes colours brighter and more vibrant than any other OLED on the market. Unlike traditional OLED televisions, the A95L uses blue OLEDs rather than white. To create red and green, quantum dots are used to shift the wavelength of the blue light to either red or green. This is instead of filtering, meaning that no energy is lost. Standard OLED panels use a white subpixel to increase brightness. QD-OLED panels, that's not required. It remains colour accurate right to the brightest output. The A95L uses Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. The screen itself vibrates, turning every part of it into a speaker. The sound comes directly from the correct part of the screen, locking in with the visual content. If you're using a surround system, the TV can be the centre channel. You simply wire your AV receiver into the centre speaker input with standard speaker cable. This removes the need for a separate centre speaker, giving a much cleaner look to your installation. The Bravia cam isn't just for video calls. It detects the distance between you and the TV, so the TV's brightness can automatically be adjusted to your position, giving the best possible viewing experience. For sound, no matter where you are in the room, Bravia cam follows your position, so that left and right is balanced between the speakers. Also, by detecting your viewing distance, can adjust dialogue so voices can be heard clearly. You can also use gesture control, plus it can even sense when you leave the room and turn down the brightness to save energy. The powerful XR cognitive processor, enhanced with XR Triluminous Max for the widest colour palette, XR OLED Contrast Pro, improving brightness and contrast, XR 4K upscaling to bring all content to near 4K quality, and XR OLED motion for intelligent motion processing. Last year's A95K was incredible. This year's model has taken that to the next level with an even brighter image. As you can see, we now have this on display here at AWHQ, so come down and check it out for yourself.
Check out more videos below and support our channel by hitting the like button. If you want any of our latest videos, please remember to subscribe and check the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever our new content is released. Please leave any thoughts or questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.